and it is identified through the options available to different communities. And for what? That is for finding an alternative living style, okay, in terms of assets, education, health and job opportunities. Okay, so this is vulnerability. Okay, so vulnerability, I hope everybody clear. Now see, our next topic we can say is poverty line. Okay, so a person is considered poor when a person is considered to be poor when his or her income or consumption level falls below a given minimum level, है ना, necessary to fulfill the basic needs. So this minimum level is referred to as poverty line. Okay, this is poverty line. Now the poverty line is drawn with the level of income of we can say consumption of a person. Okay, so if a person's income or consumption, if it is not sufficient to meet basic requirement, then they are considered as poor. Okay, and the poverty line varies with person. Okay, it varies with place, it varies according to time. Clear? So the minimum level of food requirement, clothing, footwear, okay, fuel and light, medical assistance, these all things are determined to measure the poverty line, and these physical quantities are multiplied by their price in rupees. Okay, and while measuring the poverty line, the food requirement is based on the desired calorie intake, whatever calorie intake we had taken. Okay, and in India the average calorie which is taking by per person per day is 2400 calories. Okay, that is in rural areas, and 2100 calories in urban areas. Okay, and in 2000 the poverty line for a person was fixed at rupees 328 per month in rural areas and rupees 454 per month in urban areas. Okay, so in rural areas a family of 5 members earning less than rupees 1640 per month will remain below the poverty line. Okay, that is earning less than rupees 1640 per month. Okay, they remain below the poverty line, and in urban areas a minimum of rupees 2270 per month would be needed to meet basic requirement. Okay, so the poverty line is estimated periodically by conducting what? By conducting sample surveys. Okay, surveys are conducted by NSSO, that is National Sample Survey Organization. Okay, now we will start poverty estimates. Okay, so for over we can say 2 decades the proportion of people living below the poverty line has declined substantially, but the number of poor remains stable, that is at about 320 million for a long period, isn't it? In 2000 an estimate indicates a reduction in the number of poor people at 260 million. Okay, so vulnerable group, so scheduled tribes, that is ST, scheduled caste, that is SC, okay, agricultural laborers and casual laborers are the most vulnerable groups in India. Okay, that is in India the people living below the poverty line are not the same for all social groups and economic categories. Okay, social groups are the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes householders, okay, household, which are the most vulnerable section. Okay, so the double disadvantage of being a landless casual wage labor household in the socially disadvantaged social groups, that is of the scheduled caste or the scheduled tribe population. Okay, and it highlights the seriousness of the problem. Okay, now gradually in 1990s the poverty line declined for scheduled caste, rural agricultural laborers and urban casual laborer, except the scheduled tribe. Okay, now interstate disparities, we can say